when you give loans to these women, what is the size of the loan? Do they use it for survival or business or both or everything?
There was one lady who was money lender, but she told me that, don't make the mistakes what banks are making. So I said, what do you mean by that? So she said, you understand the cash flows of the people. She just mentioned that these banks don't understand. They give loan to poor people and then they think that monthly they will pay the installment. So you have to see the cash flow and design your repayment. So we say the first thing is that you have to understand the cash flow of funds. The second is that if you see that drought and all the then you have to ask for restructuring in that case. I think when you're working with first-time borrower who do not have a credit history, who do not have a score, you have to work out in a different way. And another thing which we did is that design a pre-credit score for women.
Okay. So on what basis do you design that score?
So one is of course full KYC what you have. Then she's doing business, then Udyam Aadhar. Then how is she paying the electricity bill? What is the history of that? Her digital transaction history. So based on that, those marks are given. And based on that, she can assess herself and decide that what is her appetite for the loan. And if she meets the score, then this is the amount where you are eligible for. So then we had this face recognition. When we did that, you know what our women said? They said that मेरा PIN number तो कोई भी चुरा लेगा. Nobody is going to cut my head and use it. And when they said that, I was just like, they were so confident. And that was a lesson for me that, never give poor solutions to poor people. They are smart.